Learn how to sketch the rational function y equals 3 over x plus 2, step by step. This is what our final graph will look like, with two branches and asymptotes at x equals 0 and y equals 2. First, let's identify what type of function we're working with. Our function is y equals 3 over x plus 2. This is a rational function that's been transformed from the basic reciprocal function. We can write this as 3 over x minus 0 plus 2 to see the transformations more clearly. Next, we need to find the vertical asymptote. The vertical asymptote occurs where the denominator of our fraction equals 0. Setting x equal to 0, we find our vertical asymptote at x equals 0. Here's the vertical asymptote at x equals 0, shown as a dashed line. Now let's find the horizontal asymptote. As x gets very large or very small, the fraction 3 over x approaches 0. Taking the limit as x approaches positive or negative infinity, 3 over x equals 0. Therefore, our horizontal asymptote is at y equals 2. The horizontal asymptote is at y equals 2, shown as a dashed horizontal line. Let's find some key points to help us sketch the curve. First, let's find the y value when x equals 1. When x is 1, y equals 3 over 1 plus 2, which equals 5. Now let's find the y value when x equals negative 1. When x is negative 1, y equals negative 3 plus 2, which equals negative 1. Let's try x equals 3. When x is 3, y equals 1 plus 2, which equals 3. Here are our key points, plotted on the coordinate plane. Now let's analyze how the function behaves in different regions. For positive x values, as x increases, y approaches 2 from above. For negative x values, as x decreases toward negative infinity, y approaches 2 from below. As we approach x equals 0 from the right, y goes to positive infinity. As we approach x equals 0 from the left, y goes to negative infinity. Now we're ready to sketch the complete graph. Here's the complete graph, showing both branches of the hyperbola with the asymptotes. Let's summarize the key features of this graph. The vertical asymptote is at x equals 0. The horizontal asymptote is at y equals 2. The graph has two separate branches in opposite quadrants. The curve approaches, but never touches or crosses the asymptotes. The domain is all real numbers except x equals 0. The range is all real numbers except y equals 2.